welcome back to Sweet Bay Lane. Just in case you're new here, my name's Tracy, and I am so glad you stopped in to craft with me because this is part 4 of our 4-part series. I'll have the series linked in the description box below, where we are taking ordinary Dollar Tree supplies and turning them into outstanding gift wrapping ideas. So with that said, let's jump into part 4. For this first wrapping DIY, we're going to be dressing up a gift bag. You'll need some red ribbon, you'll need a piece of white and black cardstock, and you also need a gem or something of this sort. And we start by cutting out 2 white ovals from our white cardstock. Then we're going to take our black cardstock and we're going to cut out 2 boot shapes. Once we have that done, we're going to take our ribbon and we're going to make a simple bow with long tails. Now that we have our bow made, we're going to glue our black boots on the ends of our ribbon tails. And next, we'll glue our white ovals over the top part of our little black boots. And then once we're done, we have this cute little Santa bow. I also have this little gem that I'm going to embellish the center with, but this is just an extra step. I think the bow is adorable on its own. And once we're done with our bow, you can add it to any present or gift bag. They would also be adorable as Christmas tree ornaments. And look at how it dresses that bag up. This is so fun. Now we're moving on to DIY number 2. And this one is incredibly affordable and easy. We're just going to take a simple lunch bag, a brown lunch bag. We're going to fold it backwards so the seam is in the back. Then we're going to just fold over our one corner of our bag to the side, and then we'll fold over the other corner to match that. Then you're left with this little house shape. And what I love about these is they're the perfect little wrapping technique to put little treats in for your parties or your get-togethers. Then you'll just take and punch out some holes, add some twine, and a little gift tag. And you're done. And look at these cute little gift tags I got from Hobby Lobby. They're so adorable, the tiniest little gingerbread houses. Then you're left with this adorable little gift packaging. Now we're moving on to DIY number 3. Now this DIY is simple. We're going to just dress up a little gift bag. Now I'm going a little extra with my tag, but you could just use an already made tag and that would really cut the time off of this. So we'll take our bag, cut a piece of ribbon, and wrap it around the handle as I'm showing you here. And if you're making your own tag, which I am, you'll just take one of your brown tags and then stamp it with your favorite stamper. If you like what you see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you here at Sweet Bay Lane. Once we had it stamped, we'll remove the hanger twine from our tag and we're going to paper punch out the top holes, just wide enough to fit our ribbon through. Then we're going to feed our ribbon down through our gift tag. Now you could stop here if your tag lays flat, but my tag wasn't laying flat, so to make it lay flat, I came in and paper punched some more holes in the bottom and then pulled the ribbon through there. And that made my tag lay perfectly. Then you're left with this gorgeous little gift bag. Now we're moving on to DIY number 4. And for this DIY, we're going to be taking a shortcut with these pre-made bows. I purchased these from the Dollar Tree. And you start by removing the film from the back side of the bow, revealing the sticky part, and you'll just stick it to your package. And I have to say, the sticky adhesive on the back of these Dollar Tree bows is amazing. Okay, once we have our bow stuck on, we're now just going to bring a sharp pair of scissors and cut all of the loops of our bow. Then you're left with this beautiful mum type appearance. I think it looks so beautiful. Now I wanted to see what would happen if I added 2 bows together and did the same technique. And this is what I came up with. I think it's beautiful as well. I don't know if it looks like a mum like the other one, but it's beautiful nonetheless. Thank you so much for joining me in this 4-part series of gift wrapping ideas. And with that, I hope everyone has a very happy holiday season. Until next time, make sure and keep it crafty.